Hello everyone. Welcome. Let's create a S3 bucket and an object to analyze them. Let me click on Create Bucket. We see two bucket types here. One is general and the other is directory for lower latency. Let me give a bucket name here. Bucket name must be unique across the globe. If it matches with any other bucket name, then we get the error. We see that we can copy bucket configuration from the previous buckets if needed. We can enable and define ACLs here to allow other AWS users or public to access this bucket. Public access is blocked here. We can modify it to allow access to others. When you enable versioning, every time you modify an object, overwrite it, delete it, etc., the previous version is not completely erased. Instead, it becomes a non-current version, and a new current version is created. We see tags here. We can add a tag to our bucket to track storage cost and organize buckets. We can choose server-side data encryption for our objects. Let's create a bucket. Kinfa12 bucket has been created. It is created in the AWS Stockholm region, which is in Europe. Let's get into the bucket and upload some objects. Let's click on Upload and choose File from our PC to upload. I have uploaded an object from my PC here. Let's analyze further. Going into the Properties. Now into the Permissions to confirm the access to this object. Now Metrics. Management. Here we see lifecycle configurations. We can set a rule so that our objects can transition into other storage class after 30 days and to delete objects after 90 days. Lifecycle rule is based on preferences. We can set replication rules too, which means that we can replicate our bucket in other AWS regions so that the users closer to that region get lower latency, and there can be other reasons too. Now to the Objects tab again. We need to select an object to take actions on that object. Let's have a look into what actions we can take. We can share object with pre-signed URL. A pre-signed URL grants temporary access to a specific S3 object. It's like giving someone a temporary key to a specific file, even if that file is otherwise private. The URL itself contains all the authentication information and an expiration time, so anyone with the URL can access the object until it expires. We can take other actions too. See you soon everyone. Bye.